What is EFT? Emotional Freedom Technique. EFT is a gentle tapping technique where when you tap on specific points on the body, while you tune into an issue that has been causing a disturbance in your body's energy system, balance is restored. Now this disturbance is called negative emotions. Negative meaning something uncomfortable, and emotion meaning energy in motion. So by you tapping on these points that are derived from the ancient art of acupuncture and acupressure, while you tune into a past emotional issue, balance in your energy system can be restored, bringing with it relief from physical and psychological problems.